MSI Cyborg 15 Gaming. Unity System Solutions. The MSI Cyborg 15 Gaming A13UCX is designed for gamers who demand high performance and stunning visuals. Equipped with the latest Intel Core i5-13420H processor, this gaming laptop ensures you stay ahead in every game. A 120-watt adapter. The MSI Cyborg 15 Gaming Core i5 RTX 2050 is built with gamers in mind. Its durable design and high-performance components ensure that it can handle the most demanding games. Processor 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13420H. Graphics 4GB Nvidia GeForce RTX 2050 Laptop GPU GDDR6. High-speed performance and storage. The MSI Cyborg 15 features a 512GB NVMe PCIe SSD, offering lightning-fast data access and ample storage for all your games and files. With 16GB DDR5 5200MHz RAM, multitasking becomes effortless. Display 15.6 inches FHD, 1920x1080, 144Hz, IPS level display. Capture every movement with the sharp and smooth 144Hz IPS level display. You can open this laptop with just one hand. Battery 3-cell 53.5 battery, WHR. Communication G-Flat LAN 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth version 5.2. Audio 2x2W speaker. Audio jack 1x mic in, headphone out combo jack. Keyboard single backlit keyboard, blue. Larger touchpad. Enjoy a boundless light touch experience with the 32% larger touchpad size. It's exquisitely center positioned to make sure it stays out of your palm's way when playing games. Webcam HD type, 30 FPS at 720p. Elevate your audio. Experience and listen to audio the way it was intended and share it with Nahimic in-game 3D surround and sound sharing via Bluetooth. Get all the buffs. The exclusive MSI Center helps you control and customize your MSI laptop the way you want. MSI App Player Console Mode provides console-like experience to laptop with intuitive design for mainstream game wireless controllers. New CPU and GPU shared pipe design enables real-time heat dissipation balancing between CPU and GPU for improved efficiency. In conjunction with MSI exclusive thermal grease, ensuring maximum performance under extreme gaming.